While Russia will continue to operate infantry fighting vehicles and tanks during the entire conflict, regardless of how long it continues, Russia can't produce enough to cover the losses they need to apply a larger offensive push. This makes it so Russia doesn't have the ability to attack with larger amounts of armored vehicles and tanks anymore. We see this becoming more and more of a rare occurrence than just compared to 6 months ago, 1, 2 or 3 years ago. With desperate solutions taking their place instead, this results in higher losses as it leaves less protection for Russian troops, and thereby leaving less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.